Hello, good morning, everyone. This is Stephen John Smith. Today we discuss about the most popular topic: how to make earn money online. There is, guys, different 25 ways you can choose any one of them. The first is my method is the drop shipping. In drop shipping, there is the great variety of products. In the last video, we discussed about the women cloth and accessories and jewelries. Now we discuss home and gardens. Home and garden is the one of the dropshipping niche that seems to always to be trendy. People are always looking to add personal touches to their space to make it feel warm and cozy, which can this is exciting at the portfolio space to make it feel warm and cozy. The second one option is the beauty. The beauty and personal care market is the projected by the worth of $51 billion by the end of 21. Beauty is thriving industry floated by the younger generations, entering the market and is strengthened by the social media and e-commerce. You can also options in the beauty niche. You can sell cosmetic, skincare products, hair care, fragrance, and more. And in this way, you can huge profit in this scenario. Okay, sound good, but there is a huge hurdle to overcome with the dropshipping. You are selling an exciting products, and the ease of starting a dropshipping business also means you will be able to your knee in the competition. So it's lies heavy on the customer force. That means you are giving up the really important piece of leverages and need to recognize that in the order to succeed you are going to be outed to competition with the well choose niche and create making uh, subtitle Asian threads. The dropshipping store sells cute plushes and the cases for the airports and iPhones. It was founded by the TZ High Chain and young Malaysian entrepreneur to take advantage of the bubble tea craze happening in the Asia. Teasel explained in an interview by Obro, I knew that the bubbles tea trend was up and coming, especially in the Asian communication. So I took a round for the bubbles tea stuff on the AliExpress. I found full case, and that was very the first products. Teasel spent months exploring and selling different drop shipping products. Some else came extra cash, while others flopped. It was the unusual founded the Bugbut's tea and his dream store becomes their reality. Once he saw them, he immediately imported them to his Shopify store, run Facebook ads, and watch customers start rolling in. Learn money by reading, luck and learning from the failure leads. Entrepreneur to make $100 from bubble tea pushed on the Obloro blog. So, guys, this is the platform you can earn money from dropshipping. In dropshipping business, today we discuss about the woven cloth, accessories, laces, buttons, fabric. Also, you can include metals jewelry, plastic jewelry, pulse jewelry, beauty products, skincare products, facials products, and home garden products. Then you can earn money online. Thank you very much.